Hello everyone, welcome to week 10 for BCOM 3113 Spring 2019. Sorry for my lateness in this post. Still playing catch up with spring break and everything. So anyway, let's go over real quick what we're up against here this week. So we are starting a brand new unit for the class, which is, I think, one of the most useful and helpful units that we're going to have, and that is the job package assignment. And so the whole point of this assignment is that you, hearing my voice right now, are supposed to find a real-life listing for a job or internship that you can use for this assignment. You have to be qualified to apply for it, and this will be really good practice. You know, this is not peak recruiting season or anything, but every student that I've ever had that has taken this seriously and really wants to get something out of it has had at least some sort of success in the real world with it. This is a thing that all of us will have to do many, many times in our professional life. I don't care how old you are, how long you've been working, producing targeted resumes, targeted cover letters is the name of the game. So that's what you're graded on for this. It's not due for, another week after this week. So avoid the temptation to put it off, because trust me, you can't rest on your laurels and just submit the resume that you've already had or you used to get a job, because that's not the assignment. You're being graded on following my instructions, and honestly, I think it's stuff that I've had really good luck with in the real world, and my students and clients that I've had in consulting have done very, very well following this advice. So do April 7. Make sure you get started on it this week right now. It's Thursday already. You should have a good idea of what you're going to use, and I'm starting on it. Watch all the videos. They're a lot longer and there's a lot more of them. I spend a lot of time and work putting them together, and it really gives you exactly all the information that you need. The videos more than anything, even the book. You know, there might be a few things in the book that they're not contradictory, but they're not things that I'm highlighting. So I'm highlighting things that come from real world experience and from information from the Easton Center. Which is, of course, an outreach arm of the Spear School of Business, if you're not familiar with that. So definitely look that up. All right, get started now. If you have questions, you want to shoot something by me, say, hey, I was thinking about using this. Do you think it would work? Happy to answer that as soon as I can. Finally, thank you for your patience during grading. This is such a grading intensive course. Unfortunately, right? Well, not unfortunately, but I'm glad to do it and happy to do it. But we've got so many students, it takes me a very long time, in addition to our very helpful graduate teaching assistant, Austin. And so I really appreciate your patience. You guys take a lot of courses where the instructors just get to run things through a Scantron machine and that kind of thing. And, this is not one of them. And so it takes a lot of time to read all the words that you guys work so hard on. And we want to devote enough time to it to honor the work that you're putting into it. So again, you have any questions, concerns, thoughts? We're heading into the final stretch of the semester. I want to finish strong. Concerns about your grade? This is the time to reach out. Do not wait, please, until the end of the semester. All right, get to work and let me know how it goes.